Hey y'all, it's your girl Sweet Angel. Beautiful babes, what's going on? I am trying to figure it out right now. I've got giveaways going on and y'all are just sleeping on the videos. I need to know, is it too much going on? And am I giving away too much stuff? But we do have a winner. Yes, we do. And I'll be sharing that person with y'all, the name and where she's located in just a little bit. But look, y'all, this is so nice. Look what she won. And you too could be a winner. All you have to do is watch the videos. That's it. That's all it takes is watching the videos and following the easy directions. Yes, indeed, girl. This will be on its way to you on tomorrow. And I want to congratulate the winner. The name is a surprise right now. I'll let you know a little later. But y'all, make sure you watch the videos. Make sure you watch the full video. That's where the surprise comes in at. And she did that. And she followed the directions to a T. And I am so happy to give this nice 2-in-1 facial massager. It's a Jade facial massager to her. And guess what? Y'all, not only is it a roller, but it is also battery operated. So you're getting double the greatness of any other facial massager. This is so nice. And since you didn't win it, now y'all know you can use my link below to Amazon and get one on your own. But you could have won it. All you have to do is watch the videos. And it was in the last video I did right here on the channel. Well, on Beauty by Sweet Angel. But I guess you weren't there with me. But anyway, maybe next time. But anyway, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Love my beautiful babes. Y'all keep smiling. You're gonna win too. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in just a little bit, beautiful babes. And make sure you watch the videos and share them. Take care. Bye.